Hey everyone, Chase Milam here. We're at the Commodity Classic in the John Deere booth. And we're standing right by the new air seeder. So Austin's with us. He's the expert in air seeding, but give us a little background on this new machine, the air seeder that you came out with.
Yeah, for model year 25, we're super excited to introduce our new C-Series air carts that we have here today. So we have a wide range of offerings, anywhere from 350 bushel up to 850 bushel. Right here today, we got our C850T. So this is gonna be our 850 bushel cart and a trailing configuration. We also offer leading configurations for some of the smaller carts. What's really exciting about these carts, we have a new metering system. We have the new Accurate metering system that is a stainless steel electric driven meter that lowers your maintenance costs and really improves your accuracy when you're seeding throughout the day. In addition to that, we also have a new innovative way to calibrate. So we have this system EasyCal that really allows you to, with a click of a button, hit that easy button and your calibration is going. It's automated, you don't have to worry about doing anything yourself. It's there, sends that value up to the cab, and you're all complete. So really improving the productivity of the customer, all while lowering our maintenance costs and increasing their accuracy.
Awesome. So this new air seeder, what about availability and when customers can maybe see these out?
Yep, so everything is now published online available. The ordering program will be around April 1st, and then for a spring 2025 delivery.
Great. Thanks a lot, Austin.